You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
In this video, I'm going to make a pizza. I'm going to make it for someone, kind of. This someone says that they like banana peppers and anchovy on pizza. So in this video, I'm going to make a Detroit style. I'm going to put some anchovy. I don't have banana peppers. I got the closest thing, peppercini. And I'm not stopping there. I got some other things I want to put on there for my desire. And that would be onions, pepperoni, black olive. And I think that's about it. But who is that person? That's Mr. MRMEGAFREDZEPPLIN. He's a fellow Megadeth fan. And yes, me, the Christian, the churchgoer, I love Megadeth. Some of the most brilliant talent on guitar, drums, and bass. Dave Mustaine ain't a great singer, but I like the way he sings. He's got his own style in this. I've been listening to Megadeth since 1984 when I joined the Navy, and Megadeth got me through the Navy as well as God. So check this out. Here is the anchovy, and we'll just call it banana pepper for fun. And this one's for you, MRMEGAFREDZEPPLIN. Yeah, I once really enjoyed anchovy on pizza. Back in the 80s, my early days in the Navy, I was saying, man, I love anchovy. I put a lot of it on there. And the end result was, tasted like ass. Whatever that tastes like. But I can imagine that's what it would taste like. Let's give it a try. Let's look at the crust underneath. I don't know if I can do that for you all. Yeah, we got some, not real dark. It's kind of a tan. Oh, it's brown. It's brown. Can you see that? Let's give it a try. Let's get some of that fishy in the mouth. Get some of that anchovy effect. Immediately, I got that anchovy taste, that anchovy note. It's like, here I am. Can you smell me now? No, I can taste you though. Beautiful. So if any of you all have any special pizza requests out there, let me know. But do me a favor. Don't say you want me to put caviar on it, because I'm not buying caviar. Thank you for watching. Till next time.